Alright, so this is the first box I've ever had. Here we have Torx. Get some E-Torx and triple square hex sockets, long Allens. Here we have mostly just overflow sockets. We got 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, and some of my standard sockets in here. We got the axle sockets in here on 1/2 inch drive. This here is just some overflow metric wrenches. These are just some miscellaneous wrenches here. Standard wrenches. This is for thread measuring and extracting. Our tap and die set. Couple saws. It's just miscellaneous stuff for building engines. And then we have a ton of hammers.